Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Harley-Davidson CVO Tri-Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Harley-Davidson CVO Tri-Glide with 13,011 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, DPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, navigation, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with a leather tank cover and a fuel cap. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Tri-Glide puts 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Tri-Glide has a 180 to 220 mile range. It has a 25.9 inch seat height and a 1,269 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured the Trike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and both rear tires are at 730 seconds. We took this Trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this Trike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this Trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the rear fender, a scratch on the rear fender, a blemish on the rear fender, and road rash on the rear wheels. This Trike has an owner's manual and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This Trike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.